Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Poco F4 GT, and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Fit on this device. So first you should just we can see that the Google Discover is activated now. As can you see when I'm swapping with my finger to the left, to the right side the display. Just if you want to turn it off, you should at the same time slide with the finger to the center. After that, click here on the right down corner on the settings icon, then just tap to the more, and here scroll a little bit down to the to the home screen. You will see here the Google Discover feature. As you can see that it's activated now. Just see if you will turn it off, and we'll go back here to the home screen. We can see that the Google Discover is turned off. And if you wanna activate it again, go again into the settings, click here to the more, and tap to the home screen. To activate the Google Fit, click once on the switcher. Now just as you can see, we can just activate it again and use the Google Fit here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.